Here's how to find image and decal IDs in Roblox. This is useful for using them in Roblox Studio or other purposes. So I'll guide you step by step through the process. You might want to add your own images to Roblox and get the image or decal ID or browse existing ones. So first, tap on Create in the top of the screen that is between Marketplace and the search icon. Now here, tap on Creations, which is below the Home button. Then go to Development Items, which is beside the Avatar items. Select Decals, which is between Audio and Images. If you already have some decals, they'll appear here. So to upload a new one, click on Upload Asset. Make sure that the asset type is set to decal and click on Upload. And wait for it to process. To get the ID, hover over to the image. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Click on it and then tap on Copy Asset ID to get the ID. To view other people's decals, you can go to the Create page. Then click on Store, that is between Learn and Form. You can browse with available decals. Click on the decal, and then click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Then select Copy Asset ID to use it. You can go to Roblox Studio, select an object, and add a decal. You can paste the ID and press Enter, and the decal appears. So that's it with this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.